Are you stuck on a black screen every time you launch Valorant? Don't worry, in this video I'll guide you step by step, so follow carefully. First, let's tweak the launch settings. Right-click on your Valorant shortcut and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations, and also check Run this program as administrator. This forces the game to use stable launch parameters and prevents Windows overlay conflicts that often cause black screens. Next, let's reset your graphics driver without rebooting. Press Windows plus, Control plus, Shift plus B. Your screen will flicker, which means the GPU driver has been restarted. This clears black screen hangs caused by driver crashes during Valorant startup. Now, go to Windows Settings, System, Display. Scroll down to Advanced Display Settings. Set your refresh rate to match your monitor's native rate, usually 60, 120, or 144 Hz. Also, under Scale and Layout, set scaling to 100%. Mismatched scaling and refresh rates can cause Valorant to launch, but never display visuals. And that's it. Like and subscribe.